Production steps of rotoplastic products. The first step: weighs the material clerk according to the production plan sheet. Weigh the material. Bagged and stacked neatly. Latter production operators transport raw materials to production stations and ready for production. In the second step, the operator installs the insert on the mold. Insert steel wool into the mold vent. Then install the various small parts on the mold. Step 3: spray release agent on the inside surface of the mold, in order to facilitate product release. The ingredients are then poured into molds. Clamping jig with hybrid die. Then install the other fixed parts on the mold. The fourth step is on the workbench. Control the rotation and revolution of the robot arm. Operate the mechanical trolley to move it to the preparation area. Check and verify that all parts of the mold are securely installed. Step 5: wait for one to go into the oven to heat. After the product is heated and baked, operate the mechanical arm to move to the heating area of the inlet oven, and turn the mechanical arm into the oven heating. Step 6. The oven follows the preset heating program. Heat the mold. The raw material in the mold melts during heating, and turn with the mold. Adhere evenly to the inner surface of the mold. Gradually form the shape. Step 7. After the mold is heated, the oven arm continues to rotate and orbit. Move the trolley to the cooling area. The 8th step is to cool the mold. After cooling to a certain extent during this period, some hollow rotoplastic products, secondary material needs to be added to the sandwich. It is used in the foaming process of the latter stage. Different products are cooled in different ways. Some take natural cooling. Some use fans to speed up cooling. Step 9. After cooling, disassembling mold. Remove the product from inside the mold, and after certain treatment, place the product on a cooling table to cool. After cleaning the inside of the mold, can proceed to the next round of production. The semi-finished product is inspected by the quality inspector at the inspection station. After the quality inspector confirms that the semi-finished product is qualified, some kinds of semi-finished products require foaming, such as insulation box, insulation bucket, and so on. So-called foaming. It is to hollow the sandwich of rotomized products. Use a foaming machine to inject the foaming solution, thereby improving the thermal insulation performance of the product. After foaming, the semi-finished product is transported to the assembly process to assemble other parts. After assembly, then the scraping and blowing process. Remove any minor defects that occurred during production. Finally, the finished product is inspected. Then the finished product is packaged. Can be shipped to the finished product warehouse ready for shipment.